Surprise, it's me, Sassysamey here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. Yeah. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which will be down below or somewhere here on the screen. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing slash swatch video. I haven't ordered anything from Colourpop in a hot minute. Like I was so good up until I found out that they were having a buy one get one free on their liquid lipstick. So I bought some. I actually picked some up for presents and also for a couple people that I love. So these are all the ones that I picked up for myself. So I'm going to unbox them with you. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them with you, and also I'm going to swatch them on my lips. So let's pray for my lips for 2 seconds. Got it. All right, let's go. But it says Colourpop on it, and then it has my favorite bubble wrap, and then there are a total of 8 shades that I'm going to swatch for you guys. I actually picked up I think 20, but most of them are for like gifts and stuff, so I'm not going to share those with you. But I'm really excited because I did pick up all of the I Love Sassysamey liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, I think. All 4 of the liquid lipsticks, which I have been dying to get my hands on since they launched, but I was like, don't buy makeup, don't buy makeup, don't buy it. And then I waited, and here I am today. So I bought MAMACITA, yeah, 951, arriba, and then Softy 2. It says, or Softy with like 2 exclamation marks. The other thing that I picked up was from, I don't know what collection this is from, but it has like the pink, what is this, polka dots? This one is their Ultra Satin Lip, which I love, in the color Felix. And then I picked up something from the Laura Lee X Colourpop collection because number one, this packaging is adorable, amazing, beautiful. Like this, I love the packaging for this. And this one is in Bam. And then the last thing, which is I think just a regular Colourpop, yep, this one is Mama. This one I actually got to match a couple of my favorite people, so we have matching lips. So let's take these out of the box and then see which one we're gonna start out with. So these are all the shades. These are literally like, I don't even know how to. Okay, so they look like these. Literally just all reds and like berries. So I'm gonna start off with, what color is this? This one is 951. So let me zoom you guys in. This one is 951. This is an Ultra Satin Lip. So this one is a little bit more comfortable than the liquid lipsticks because the liquid lipsticks, those last all day. This one, ooh. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Super pretty. It is a little bit darker in person than it is on camera that it's picking up. But I would wear this. This would be an everyday color for me. The next shade will be Softy 22. This is an ultra matte lipstick. So this one's gonna be a butt to take off. Okay, a pain. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, girl. This one is so pretty. That one's really, really pretty. I like that one a lot. So the next color is Mama, which I'm super excited about. It's just a regular ultra matte lip. So, ooh, I'm ready for this. So the next shade is Arriba, which is the I Love Sassysamey collection. Okay, girl. This is so pretty. Alright, so the next one is by Laura Lee and Colourpop. This one is part of the, I was gonna say the Paw Patrol one, but this is for like the animal cruelty thing that they do. I forgot what it's called. But this one is the color Bam, which is a dark plum color. Maybe red. Girl, that is so dark. This is gonna be perfect for the fall. And the very last shade is Mamacita. I'm ready for it. Oh yeah. Girl. That is everything that I got from Colourpop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video and everything that I picked up. Oh, that's 8. I picked up 8 shades. Oh, I picked up 6 shades for myself, and then I got an extra for later. So that is basically it for this swatch video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My lips are on fire. But I like doing these videos because I like swatch videos. You know what I mean? Because you don't know what it looks like until you put it on you. It could look so good on somebody else, but crazy on you. So when you do swatch videos, I watch swatch videos of people who have my same skin tone, and then I'm like, that's gonna look good on me. That's not gonna look good on me. You know what I mean? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media links. All of that will be linked down below in the description box and also over here on the screen. And I think that is it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! When your lips on fire. Boom. Love ya.